Hey everybody, I'm Kim Dietrich with The Art Shop and I teach paint parties, and I would love to do an event for you or show you how to do your own paint party. I have supplies in my shop that will help you do that. Today I just finished a new sign. It's Hocus Pocus Time Witches. So it'll be on my shop for sale soon. I have glow-in-the-dark paint on it, so I'm trying to charge it with the sun and see how that works. So I'm sure I'll do a video later of that. Today I'm going to show you how to do a collage on some wood. It's just a small piece of wood I got, and it is from Michael's. It's just small, and I think it was like $3. So and then you need a piece of ribbon, doesn't matter what kind, and 3 to 4 pictures that hopefully you got some pictures this summer of your family that you are wanting to do a collage with. I have this super cool pictures I took of a hummingbird and then some of my family. So I'm going to show y'all how to do it. And then I've got a couple of pieces of larger burlap that I'm going to make a bow out of. And then I have a stencil, so you can get any kind of stencil that's just kind of generic. And I have a ruler and a pen. So that's the supplies you will need, and here we go. Okay, I got a little bit of white paint on here, which was titanium white, and I'm going to use this stencil. So you will need some type of brush to do this with. I'm gonna use, I guess, a regular brush since I cannot find my other brush right now, which is normal. Okay, here we go. So you're just gonna dab it in like so. You're also gonna need some I'm gonna be using Mod Podge. I did forget to tell you guys that. Have some Mod Podge ready. And I am just dabbing this, kind of giving it a country look. I'm not getting too excited or getting too worried about it. All right. Now I'm gonna go around it and do a few more. So here we go. Next, I'm going to try to start placing these pictures and the ribbon where I think I want it. I know I wanted the ribbon here with the bow, and I have that picture there. Try not to cut off our faces, so I'm going to have that like that. And this picture like that. However you want it. So I'm gonna go over here and take my pen, and I'm gonna try not to cut off too much on some of these, but where there's the wood slats that are in between here, I'm going to fix them and cut them so it looks correct on here. All right, so I made a pen mark there, and then let's see where this pen mark's gonna be. Okay, not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, next I'm gonna take them and I am going to cut them. Okay, I'm gonna start cutting. So I'm gonna cut a little bit to the side of this line here, and then try to see how that's going to fit on here. So I'm going to cut off a little bit more on this side. Don't have to go crazy, just a little bit more. All right. So that'll make it look correct on it when we do this. Same here and on the other ones too. We are ready to go. Okay, now we're going to take the Mod Podge and we're just going to put it on the back end. Get them all on here. I don't know what other kinds of Mod Podge there is out there, but I'm just using the matte. Mod Podge matte is what I'm going to use, and we're going to just put it on there. The back of it, and then we will get them all arranged on here. Probably about where I had it. All right, that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay, it looks like I got the pictures the way I want them. So let's see if you guys can see that. So they're all ready to go. And next step, all ready to go to the next step. So I've got my glue gun ready, and I am going to put this ribbon here on the side. You can put your ribbon in the middle, you can put the ribbon wherever you want to do it. I'm just gonna quickly put this on the side here with my glue gun. Make sure it looks right, looks the way I want it. All right, looking good, looking good. And then I'm gonna take my 2 pieces of, literally this is wide burlap, and I'm taking a piece of natural polished hemp, and I am just gonna make a really quick bow. Nothing too exciting, people. Where I take 2 pieces, I kind of twist them that way, scrunch them, of course. And then I'm going to tie them in the middle. So, super easy. Nothing extravagant. All right. There we go. Got it. And I'm going to tie it a second time. And I suggest you guys do too. Cut the strings. Have better scissors than mine. And then we'll glue it on. And we will be done. And you've made a super cute collage for your home of your family. So something really quick, easy to do, and super cheap to do too. So it is ready to go on my wall. I would love to do a paint party with you or an event. Just message me. My name once again is Kimberly Dietrich, and I am with the Art Shop, and I do paint parties, and I have supplies to do your own paint party in your own home right now during this big pandemic that's going on. So message me, like my shop, so you can have more free craft ideas. Get the newsletter. There's recipes you get for free that shows you how to make your own paint, which is a good thing to do right now because sometimes the stock is way down in the craft stores. So all right guys, y'all have a great day.